Guys, nandito na sila. Umpisa na ang Their Heart Concert Tour dito sa Honolulu, Hawaii. At wala kang ibang maririnig dito kundi sigawan, hiyawan, palakpakan para sa ating mga iniidolong Sharon Cunita at Gabby Concepcion. Nakikita mo talaga na buhay pa rin ang kanilang love team kahit sabihin nating nasa edad na sila, pero talaga naman ang chemistry sa kanilang dalawa ay buhay na buhay.
Salamat naman.
Ito ay isasing ng ating friendship together. P.S. I love you.
My only love.
Dapat ka bang mahalin? At kung ano
Sa hirap at ginawa.
Patibang pintig ng puso.
And the critical brain ang aming dalawa.
So, because of all these movies, gusto po namin parinig sa inyo. Actually, ako rin manonood ako dun sa likod. Kakantahin mo yung mga... Hindi, sasabayan lang ito. Sasabayan lang ito.
But this is
Let's sing
not
this song.
Saturday.
Yes, let's sing this song for everybody.
From the bottom of my heart.
Ikaw na, here.
Dear heart, ikaw raw ay matanggas. At di mag-isa.
kiss daw. Yung mga viewer, sabi din, nagko-comment.
Kasi kanina nung nabinig ko to, meron ako nakilala doon, sabi niya,
Panoodin niya lahat. Diyos ko.
because
There we go. Ya salam. Nako naman. So sweet.
sinasabi
Si Sisi.
I'll see you in Europe. Okay, so sabi niya, you know, my mom would like to watch your show. So, hindi ko lang alam kung nakarating sila ngayon, but, you know, yung mom daw niya, nanonood sa mga
Oh, ako
shows.
din Maylene.
Yeah, Maylene.
Maylene?
She said she has overtime daw.
You know, my dad is nurse naman. Her name is Eileen Dahari. Dad is former nurse.
Okay.
She wasn't able to watch us in San Francisco, but her daughter, who became my nana, because she's like family to us, she came. She couldn't make it in San Francisco, but she came to Hawaii. Yeah, she came to you. I love you, Eileen.
Oh, Eileen.
And you know, we have Sharonins that gave me my favorite malasadas and apple turnovers from Leonard's Bakery. I would live in Hawaii just for Leonard's. Oh, bakery nila lang si Leonard's Bakery yun, ha? Bakery yun ang Ano mo naging malinaw yung mga namin diskusyon?
Assuming.
Assuming?
Sino sila?
Kalbuhin ni Aston mo? Kapal!
Grabe.
Away na tayo sa bakery. And
Wala pa. Kasama ko si Malasadas.
Assuming ka din.
Kasama ko si Malasadas. Tinikman ko ba si Malasadas?
Sweet. Parang ka pala.
I'd like to thank Lonnie. Lonnie is here
Oh, Lonnie is
and she
here.
gave Malasadas.
Also?
Yes, it was Malasadas. I'd like to thank Aleli Bustamante, who's here
Aleli,
tonight.
of course.
And of course, attorney Alex, who came with me all the way from the Philippines. Si Lily, my makeup artist, and Che, and si Arnil. Now, we have a lot of people to thank tonight.
Yes, tonight. Of course, first of all,
Yes.
ending the Dragon Productions. Well, thank you.
Enteng, are you here tonight?
From Rayton Club.
Yeah,
Very
Rayton.
nice we were together. Vic Perez, thank you. And Ann Torres
Yes.
and Sam Ruban, thank you so much for bringing us here. Thank you.
And si Anne, thank you very much. Where's Anne? Are you here tonight? Anne! Baba! Anne! Grabe! Kung hindi dahil sa iyo, di ako makakarating dito because I have to ride a boat to get here.
Sandali.
Yeah,
Galing tayong Winnipeg. Paano mo ginawa niya?
kasi malamig sa Winnipeg, buti na lang may kayakap ako. Kaya umiyak. Winter tech daw doon.
Sino yun? Hindi ako yun.
Hindi, si Anne. Si Anne brought us here. And that's why we're all together. And we are sharing the warmth with everybody here in Hawaii.
This one, I love Hawaii. I've always loved
Sino sa inyo mga Ilocano?
Sino Kapampangan? Naman tayo, mami. Bota. Alam, may kasantingan eh.
Alam mo ba, Lola?
Sakit ng bundukin.
Kaya we share something.
Sakit ng
Yes, Lola.
yung puso.
Mag-usap kami, okay?
Sakit na Diyos.
Hey, mamusin.
Mamulit na ako.
Buli.
Sasabihin.
Okay, mag-usap tayo. Ready?
Ready.
Ating ko pong susin.
Meto ng timpukan.
Malaki 18.
Eko ka malayan.
Ego akaman.
Ha?
Ego akaman. Sa sunilo. Kay may tumakas.
You're surprising me, ah.
May walay.
Eko ka malayan. Aba? Yaba? Kung ako nag-Hawaiian, ikaw nagkapampangan.
Ibigay ko sa itong singsing.
Salamat naman.
Ito ay singsing ng ating friendship together. Hindi ako masuot. I would like to give this to you.
Is this for my For the monitoring my heart?
For our friendship. Yeah, wala
We
pa.
have the same ring, but it will fit here.
Sige na yan. Sige na yan.
There, perfect.
I've been wearing that the whole night and I intended to give that to you.
You want this one? You
have been wearing this. Kung masusunod niyo lahat ng aming mga shows, I've been wearing this the whole time. Who has been watching our shows?
You see it in the pictures. But isn't this supposed to monitor also?
It's to monitor your love for me.
No, we're just close now. This is how we are.
This is my friendship ring for you.
Thank you, friend. We're just friends. We made it.
Pelikula! May pelikula! Pelikula ka!
No, we're just friends. We made it. No, I just woke up one day. I was pregnant. Di na to what happened.
Friends in love.
Hindi mo movie ang mag-pulis din.
Okay.
No, but what were you saying? I don't have a movie. I have a teleserye. With Julia Montes and Janice Tabela, a wonderful cast. It's called Saving Grace.